Welcome to all of you on Cosmos English Speaking Dash. Today I am with my best friend, my student, who is always motivation. Really guys, I want to share one thing. The students are real motivation for us. Due to student, this is a brand Ajay Maske Patil sir in front of you speaking. Welcome to all of you in chit chat with Ajay Maske Patil. So I am requesting Shreyas to give feedback about Ajay sir's teaching methodology. After that, feedback about review about Cosmos English Speaking. Let's start.
I am here to learn English.
Then,
My name is Shreyas Sachin Nadve. I am in 8th class. My school name is Sri Kishan Somani School, Latur. In my family, apart from my parents, I have one younger brother. My father is in Samas Kalyan. My
then,
mother is housewife. And I am learning English from Cosmos coaching classes from Ajay sir. Ajay sir teaches us very good English. This is beneficial for us. They give us homework to us. One of the best academy in Maharashtra. Ajay sir taught us from ABCD to tens. Ajay sir teaches us excellent English.
Good evening friends, this is Prithviraj Prabhu Pawar. I belong to Latur. I am class in 6th. In my family, apart my parents, I have younger brother. I study in Cosmos English classes.
Good afternoon. I am Ashish Mahadevan Shetty. I belong to Latur. I am in 5th class. I have also done basic grammar course in Cosmos English. In my family, apart from my parent, there are 3 members in my family.
you guys, this is Ganesh Jagtap. He just want to elaborate some ideas, some thoughts, and review also. And also he will deliver feedback about Cosmos English Speaking and mind teaching methodology. So I'm requesting Ganesh speak in front of camera and deliver your thoughts. Okay? Let's continue, beta.
Sir teach very nice English. And sir teach ABCD to tens.
Hi friends, this is Pushkar Prabhu Pawar. I am in 8th class. My school name is Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir Latur. I am doing here a basic grammar course for speaking English. My hobby is playing badminton.
Good evening all friends. My name is Bhumadatta Sawant. I am in Sri Kishan Somani School, Latur. I am in 9th standard. My hobby is playing karate. In my family, apart from my parents, I have elder sister. She is in 4th class. My father is working in a solar company in the post of manager. Ajay sir is very best teacher. He teaches to be very best. He teach very enjoyable and friendly to all students. Director of Cosmos English classes.
So guys, the purpose of that video is that batch started on 5th December and I taught them to be formula, to have formulas, where to use pronoun, in front of pronoun, which helping verb is appropriate, how to use and where to use pronouns, helping verbs. So these are the practice session. We are delivering that session through live streaming. And this student elucidate some information about formulas and they recall all the formula in front of you. So this is the practice session and we are just enjoying our practice session.
About to be formula. Let's see how start.
Subject plus
Helping verb plus object plus complement. Helping verb plus subject plus object plus complement. Subject plus helping verb plus not plus object plus complement. Helping verb plus subject plus not plus object plus complement. WH plus helping verb plus subject plus object plus complement. WH plus helping verb plus subject plus not plus object plus complement.
Start.
I am what I shall be. They are we where we will be.
You are you where you will be. He and he
she was, he will be. She was, she will be. It is, it was, it will be. They are, they were, they will be.
Virat is, Virat was, Virat will be.
Anushka is, Anushka was, Anushka will be.
Get some thoughts about to be and to have formula like that. So just we will recall. In last session I have told you, I will inform you such tricks like L, yes, R, W. L stands for listening, R stands for reading, S stands for speaking, W stands for speaking. This is worldwide technique. In upcoming session, I will elaborate each and every method, where to use GTM method like grammar translation method. That method is beneficial for phrases, the transfer of phrases. Everyone should speak in phrases, not actual English language. So I just want to elaborate, use your methods, own methods, just like direct method, listen English song, then read newspaper, after that watch English movie, and just some changes in your day-to-day lifestyle. Some changes like dressing format, your body language, your smile, how to use gestures, eye contact, while you are in front of camera, while you are in public speaking, your eye contact is proper. Eye contact is a weapon two-way communication. Communication is what, guys? Communication is only a single way. What is communication? Communication is a skill, and skill is not learned, skill is acquired. And English is language. Language speaking. Language is not learned, language is acquired. So if you want to learn English, then acquire a skill. Skill like communication. Sender sends message and receiver decodes that message. That time communication will be proper. Just like one can deliver, one can speak, and another can listen, another one listen, and he elaborates, he decodes the message. Yet I want to ask a simple question. If you want to stay that position or that position, if you want to change your position from that place to there, then you should update yourself.
Tushar Sanjay Pawar. My school name is Sant Tukaram National Model School. I belong from Latur, and my hobby is badminton. And I am here to say something about Ajay sir and Cosmos Institute. And to say about Ajay sir means Ajay sir is dashing and handsome, and he is also a fluent speaker of English, and he teaches us the English in the Cosmos Institute. To say about Cosmos, then Cosmos means to learn English and lead the world. And thank you.